Hi dear students, shall we continue the activities from the lesson The Lost Child? Project work. Have you ever been to a festival? Name some of the festival you have visited. Identify some festivals with the help of a calendar and complete the table below. So you have to check the calendar and you have to find out the festival. Firstly, you have to write year 2020. Then next, serial number, festivals, month, date, day. Serial number 1, festival. Okay, we will take first New Year. Month, January. Date, 1/1/2020, Wednesday. Next, serial number 2, Easter. The month of April. So date 12/4/2020. Day Sunday. Next 3. Ramadan. Month May. Date 25/5/2020. Day Monday. Next Onam. So serial number 4, Onam. In the month of August. Date 31/8/2020. The day Monday. The next Mahanavami, the month of October, date 24/10/2020, Saturday. The next Christmas, in the month of December, 25/12/2020, day Friday. One more festival you have to find out and write. Next, people send greeting cards to their dear ones on festivals. Collect some greeting cards. See how they are prepared. Now prepare a New Year greeting card to be sent to one of your friends. Everyone sending greeting cards to any festivals, yeah? For our friends or relatives or father, like that, yeah? So like this way, you have to prepare a New Year greeting card. Any one of your friend. Next, my words. Read the following sentences. It was a summer fest. People walked to the festival ground through the narrow lanes. A little boy ran around his father. Without waiting for an answer, he moved on. In these 3 sentences, walked, ran, moved. These words are past actions, past form of the word. Once again I will tell. Walked, walk, walked. Run, ran. Move, moved. See the underlined words. They show past action. You can see many such similar words in the story. Read the story once again. Pick out all such words and write them in the following columns. Construct your own sentences using these words. So all the students have to read this story once again and you have to pick out like these action words from the story. And after that you have to write down. Words ending with ed. In the past action words, some words are ending with ed, some are without ending with ed. So firstly you have to list down the words with end with ed. Walk, walked. Fascinate, fascinated. Its 2 words are already there. Some more words you have to find out. Stop, stopped. Hurry, hurried. Plead, pleaded. Yell, yelled. Call, called. Decorate, decorated. Stare, stared. Murmur, murmured. Shout, shouted. Wish, wished. Turn, turned. Continue, continued. Lift, lifted. Now, words ending without ed. Run, ran, stand, stood. So some more words we have to find out from the story. See, seen, know, knew, will, would, hear, heard, begin, began, take, took, weep, wept. Next one, I can. The following are some events from the story which are not in proper order. I can number the events in the boxes in the order they occurred and come up with a new word. Then there are some sentences. The child wanted his parents to buy him a toy. The child was separated from his parents in the festival ground. The child wanted to get a garland. A child went to the festival ground with his parents. A man in the crowd lifted the child up in his arms. Many colored sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold were seen. The child wished to have all the balloons. The child likes his parents more than anything. The man took the child to the giant wheel. The child pleaded with his parents earnestly to allow him to go on the giant wheel. So you have to arrange it. A child went to the festival ground with his parents. Then second, the child wanted his parents to buy him a toy. Then the third one, many colored sweets decorated with leaves of silver and gold were seen. Next, the child wanted to get a garland. Next one, the child wished to have all the balloons. The next, the child pleaded with his parents earnestly to allow him to go on the giant wheel. Then, the child was separated from his parents in the festival ground. Then, a man in the crowd lifted the child up in his arms. Next one, the man took the child to the giant wheel. Then the last, the child likes his parents more than anything. Listen, now we are numbering the events. If the sentence in the picture is right, I can select corresponding letters from the table below. Look there. I got the word from the table above and can write the word in the table below. First one, G. Second, I. Third, A. N. T. W. H. E. E. L. What is the word? Can you read these words? Can you read this word? Giant wheel is from our story. So all the students have to complete these works. Thank you, dear children.